Hey guys, John Haas, RN with NRSNG here, and I'm here with another Tuesday test tip. Today I want to give you some tips for attacking SATA questions. SATA, select all that apply. I know it's your favorite. So what you need to do is we developed something called the SATA Success Pyramid. What you do with the SATA Success Pyramid is just 3 steps to really make these questions much easier. The first thing you do when you're encountered with the select all that apply question, the bottom of the pyramid, is you cover all the answer options. I don't want you to look at any of the answer options as you're reading the question. Then what you do is you uncover each answer option one at a time. So it could be A, just look at A, then just look at B only, then just look at C only, look at each one individually, make sure you're not clumping them all together. What happens a lot of times is we start evaluating them all together and say A is really close to B, B is really close to D, so they maybe are both right. I don't want you to do that. I want you to cover them all up and evaluate each one individually. And the top of the pyramid, the last thing I want you to do is to turn each statement into a true-false statement. So if we're talking about diabetes and the question's about diabetes, say, true-false, a patient with diabetes would experience chills and shivers and things like that. Then just turn it into a true-false statement and say yes or no with each one. So cover them all up, evaluate each one individually, and turn each one into a true-false statement. Now, one last quick tip with select all that apply questions. Per the NCSBN, who is the company that writes the NCLEX, you can have anywhere from 1 to all answer options right. Now, your nursing school might do things differently, so make sure you know what your teachers are doing with select all that apply. But for the NCLEX, when you go in there to take the test, it could be anywhere from 1 to all answer options being right. All right, guys, I hope that helps with SATA questions. This is John with another Tuesday test tip.